So whether you are looking to gather together over morning coffee with a nice biscuit or perhaps a bacon butty, whether you're hoping to gather together over afternoon tea with freshly made cake, or perhaps what you're hoping to do is to party on into the night with a bottle of Prosecco, a tube of crisps and a bag of cashews. However you're hoping to gather and whenever you're hoping to gather, here at Stamping Up, we have got you all kitted out. Our Creativity Made Easy kit collection from Stamping Up is just perfect for whatever the occasion you want to gather with your friends and just have something to do as you sit and you chat and you laugh and you giggle and you just enjoy the time spent together. There are two different sorts of kits. You'll find them all on our website underneath the stampingup.uk /kits. You'll find all the current kits there. The kits will constantly be updated. There'll be new ones added, old ones taken away, so it's always worth going and checking out that kit page to see what is currently there and what takes your fancy. But we have two main sorts of kits. This first kit, these are priced at £11, which makes them a lovely gift, but also a lovely price for getting together and just having something to do of an evening. It's quite a cheap evening out. And these ones don't require any stamping. They're just a question of popping elements out, sticking elements on. You've got all these lovely comprehensive really simple instructions here to talk you step by step through each individual card. So beautiful. This particular one, the Notes of Cheer card kit, is just an example of some of the kits you're going to be able to get. It has these beautiful butterfly cards in. You'll be able to make 3 of those. It's got 3 cards with plain backgrounds that have pretty things to put on the top in a minute, and you've got these lovely rainbow cards as well. So 3 of each of these cards in this particular kit. You've got envelopes that go with them, and the envelopes have got really nice printed inserts in 3 different styles. So when your recipient opens your card, they're going to get a wow. You've got these lovely bits that you pop on the top. So you've got this rainbow scalloped overlay and these lovely white butterfly overlays. Got some really pretty sparkly gems there. You've got a whole range of greetings, and you'll see that they're not just in English, they're in a variety of languages. So it's just a question of finding the one that's right for you and right for your project. You've got a variety of different ones of each of those, so you can mix and match those. And then you've got your adhesives, so you've got your 3-dimensional foam pads and you've got your little sticky glue dots in this one. And other kits will have other adhesives. You'll have the adhesives in there that you need to complete the projects that you've got in your kit. So that's just one of these kits, and this kit, as I say, is going to make 9 cards all on this beautiful rainbow butterfly theme. Really stunning. So that's one of the no stamp kits. I do have another no stamp kit here. I haven't got all of the current kits. I have a variety. This one again is sort of quite contemporary little modern floral cards. And again, you'll get everything you need to create 9 little cards in the Petal Notes card kit. So those 2 kits, £11, and you get everything you need in there, all the instructions, all the adhesives, all the pop-out bits to simply and easily create 9 beautiful projects. So whether you've never made a card in your life or you are an experienced crafter, I'm sure that you'll have fun with those. Our second sort of kit is a kit that contains a stamp set. So this one, slightly more advanced, but it also means that you have things left over at the end that you can go away and have a play with and create other things with if you want to. So this particular one I've picked out here is the You Are My Anchor card kit. So this one's got a little bit more of a masculine feel, could be great for the children and things. But you've got all these lovely cards in here, but you've also got some really nice cute little gift boxes. So with these kits, these are £18, but you get a little stamp set. This one's got an anchor and some boats and starfish, lighthouse, as well as some different greetings. You get a little stamping spot, which is like a mini ink pad. And this particular one is in Pacific Point. So you've got your stamp, you've got your ink. None of that is any good if you haven't got a block to put your stamp on. So we give you that as well. So you've got stamp, ink, block. There's some twine that you're going to use on these particular projects. You've got all these cute little envelopes, again printed inside, so really sweet. They're just little 3x3 size. You've got these pieces which are going to build up. This will build up to make your box insert, and you can see you've got the adhesive strip on there already. And this one will fold out to become the sleeve that that box slides into. And it's all made up. Obviously I'm holding it together precariously, but it will eventually all, once it's all made up, pop into there and make a really nice pop out little box. So you have got 1, 2, 3, 4 little boxes. Again, you've got your adhesive. You've got card bases, so you've got 2 of each of these. So this one makes 8 little cards, I think. Is it 8 or 10? 10 little cards. 10 little mini cards. 4 little boxes. Lots of anchors and life buoys and things to pop on. Foiled labels there that you're going to be able to add greetings and things. Again, you've got your glue dots and you've got your dimensionals. So you can see this kit has got everything you need to make 10 little cards, 4 boxes. And once you've made all of those things and you've given them all away to people that you love, you're still going to be left with your stamp set and your ink pad and your block, and probably even a little bit of twine. So you're going to be able to carry on playing with those and stamp up anything you like. So that's that particular kit. That's the You Are My Anchor, and that is one of our all-inclusive stamp block ink kits. And as I say, these are £18, and those you will find in a variety of styles as well. This one is a really soft floral pretty card, and this one has an acetate box in it that you can build up and decorate and house your little cards in it once you've created them. So that's really lovely. And this one has got all these lovely welly images on, so you've got lots of bits to pop out to create these lovely cards. These bright bold colours, that one's quite nice for the children as well. You've got this one here, which is again a collection of little cards, only this time you've got like a little plastic wallet that you can put them in. Again, you've got your stamp, you've got your ink block, you've got your embellishments, you've got all your adhesives. And then this one is a little bit different. This one is little gift boxes. So this will make up 8 little pillow boxes, decorated with these fun little animals. You've got the kangaroos and you've got the crocodiles on there. And again, you've got a sweet little stamp set. So you've got all your pieces to pop out to make up your pillow boxes. You've got some pretty gems in that one, and your block and your spot. And this one has got some tape in it for this kit, as well as glue dots, and this cute little stamp set that contains a gecko and some quirky little birds, as well as greetings. So you can see they're all very different. There's something there for everybody, regardless of your age and your style, and regardless of your experience. There's something there that you can pick up, take away, get together with friends, and enjoy a really lovely crafty get together. And of course that's not the only reason you'd want these kits. What fabulous birthday presents. What brilliant little box of goodies to take away with you on holiday, because all you need is access possibly to a pair of scissors, and if taking scissors is problematic, snip your twine before you go, and then you won't even need scissors. So whether you're looking to get together with friends, get away from it all, or whether you're looking for a fabulous gift for somebody you know and love, the Kits collection, the Creativity Made Easy Kits collection from Stampin' Up is very definitely for you. So if you're interested, check out my online store from June the 1st, 2020, or alternatively get in touch with me directly and I'll be happy to help you get all kitted out.